Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Buno Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market or a gold fundamental market for the next week. That means for the 25th November to 31 November or 30 November. So let's begin. And as you know that gold is always connected with USD. That means we have to follow USD news. Okay, that's why we just right here XAUUSD news. Okay, and the basic concern is if gold or USD news data come with positive value like that, like green, like that number of value, we will sell for gold. This is the basic thing. Okay, and for negative news means with negative data, that means red 0.5% or red 245k, like that we will buy gold. Okay, you may ask Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold. Okay, you have to keep two things in your mind. One of them is gold value is always fixed and USD value is always changeable. Okay, and suppose right now 1 XAU USD is equal to 2500 USD. Okay, XAU, that means one gold bar is equal to 2500 USD. Okay, and as far we know, gold value is always fixed. That means this is fixed and this is variable, that means changeable. Okay, and if we get negative data like minus 5% data or negative 5% data, and that means in USD value we get, or in USD news we get minus 5%. That means 5% negative data on USD, and that means if we minus 5% from that value, that whole value, then let me remove some of them. Okay, suppose we get minus 5% from here, so this USD will be smaller than previous one, like there is minus 5%. So in that case, gold is bigger than USD. So previous one is one gold is equal to 2500 USD. Right now gold is always fixed. One is equal to 2600 maybe, or 2550 maybe. So that in that case we will buy gold because gold price is increasing. And for positive value, here is we have to add 5% plus. That means if data come with USD data come with 5% plus value, then we will add 5% plus. In that case, USD is bigger than gold, so price is decreasing. That means gold price is decreasing. So previous value was one gold is equal to 2500, and current one gold is equal to 2400 maybe. Okay, so that is the thing, that is the theory. Okay, so let's check the market. As per we know, there is 5 trading or 5 market news day on the market: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, and as you can see there, we have Monday one of euro news, so we don't need to take our concern or keep our concern on that. If there is a major geopolitical thing happened on the earth, like Russia, Ukraine and Middle East war, if there is something incredible happen, then gold market will move a lot. Otherwise Monday's market will move sideways, like that, or like that. Okay, we'll explain that on technical analysis session. And on Tuesday we have USD news, CB consumer confidence, that means consumer news. And if data come with positive value, for basic thing we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold for basic thing. Okay, and on Wednesday we have 2 USD news over here, and there is more non-major, that means semi-major news, and one of them unemployment claim, that means jobless claim, and one of them is prelim GDP QQ. Okay, so we have to keep our concern on that 2 news. If data come with positive, we will sell gold. If with negative, we will buy gold. This is the basic thing. Okay, in another term we have core PCE index MM, and same theory for all. And there is one of FOMC meeting minutes, so we have to follow that news. We will get a lot of data from that news. Okay, we will update on our Telegram channel during the news time, so you must have to active on our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel link on video description, so you may join them. Okay, and in Thursday we have no USD news, and for Friday, let's check, there is no USD news. So this week 1, 2 and 3 time US red news, 3 times. So we can keep our concern this 3 times on the market. And there is a lot of thing working behind the market. You may ask, Mr. Boom, why market is moving without news? Okay, there is the biggest thing is geopolitical issue. Okay, geopolitical issue. So there is two major thing happening in the world. One of them is Russia Ukraine war, and another one is Middle East war. Okay, Middle East war. Okay, there is two major things. So as you know that last week Ukraine just throw a missile on Russia made by US or held by US. So in that case they just throw a missile and on Russia, and Russian President Putin declared that maybe World War III beginning. So that's why there was a big impact on market. So gold is trying to go buy. This is number one thing. Number two thing is, as you know that Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu is attacking on Houthi, or I don't know what is the country name, maybe Palestine and Yemen. They are throwing a lot of troops on the countries, and daily maybe 50 to 100 army or peoples are dying there. So there is a major thing happening on Middle East. So we have to keep our concern on Middle East also. Okay, so if there is any geopolitical issue happening in the world, that will directly impact on the gold market. Okay, so if you avoid this issue, that means if you just trade on technical analysis, you may lose your asset. So you have to pay attention on your on fundamental news, or on you have to pay attention on fundamental things. So in our Telegram channel we are updating each and everything from last few years. That could be geopolitical issue, that could be technical or fundamental issue. So you may follow our Telegram channel for more update and for more thing like what is happening around the world, for more news, so we can easily learn from that. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out. Make sure you subscribe our channel for daily analysis and a lot of trading things. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.